Atlantis Dubai is home to 65,000 marine animals. We have over 100 animal care specialists who take care of all marine life around the clock. Now let us take you behind the scenes and show you what it's like to be a world-class accredited facility. Our food technicians prepare 450 to 500 kilograms per day, providing a rich and varied diet of restaurant-quality seafood. We take care of thousands of species, from sea jellies and seahorses to large sharks and rays. Our divers keep the marine habitats clean, therefore maintaining the highest water quality for all our animals. We are fortunate to have an on-site dedicated veterinary team who maintain world-class care through routine health checks. Over 40 marine mammal specialists create fun enrichment programs to maintain the animal's physical and mental well-being. Through interactive and educational experiences, our main aim is to connect people with wildlife and empower them to protect it. We also work hard behind the scenes and collaborate with local and international partners to ensure we're constantly giving back to the marine environment. And we hope to see you soon at Atlantis Dubai.